Okay, this is going to be a quick little video on how to remove the drawer and remove the slides from a Snap-on KRL Master Series toolbox. I'm in the process of replacing the slides on this one. However, I'm waiting on the slides to show up. UPS keeps screwing up the delivery, and supposedly tomorrow they're supposed to finally show up. But what you do on a Master Series box is you pull out your drawer, and this one here, you're going to have, I'm sure you can see this, you're going to have some little plastic tabs here, and you just put your fingers in them and just pull them towards you, and then the drawer will slide right out. Once you get the drawer out, the slides are not hard at all to remove. What you're going to do there is these tabs right here, these little rectangular tabs, you're going to take, there's a special tool Snap-on sells. It's metal, like a screwdriver on one end, and it's an L shape and it's flat, that you put in behind here. It's just enough to pop this rail, this slide rail, in a little bit, and it releases the piece that locks into this. You don't have to use that tool. You can use just a plastic interior tool for doing interior work. The orange ones are softer, the black ones are harder. They will not damage the box. And all you have to do is take this and slide it down in there, and it's going to push the slide out a little bit from the box, releasing it from the hole here. And all you have to do is take your hand and just pop it on the bottom of the slide that you have pulled out a little bit, and then just gently shake it, and it will come out from the back. In just a moment here. Okay. These slides are old in this one, so that's why I'm replacing them. This here little clip right here, that slides into a hole in the back. So all you do when you replace them, you just line it up with that hole, and you slide the slide in, and then this clip here and this clip here will line up with two holes in the box. One back here and one up here. Once you line them up, you get the back end, and let's see here. It's hard to see in here, it's dark in here, but you get the back end. Right now I've got the slide in this slot and this slot lined up with it, and all you would have to do to put the new slide in, pop the top of this, that slide is now reinstalled. Again, just take your tool like this, which is an interior plastic tool for removing interior pieces. Just hit it like that, gently wiggle it, and the slide will come right out. It's that quick and simple. And then the new slide goes right back in, just as quick and just as simple. I'm going to do the other side. And let me move the light in a little. See, these here are the holes here that the little lock goes into. And you got to slide out a little. There it is. Wiggle it. And it'll come right out. That's all there is to it. There are your slides out. Now you put your new slides in. Now I'm going to show you how to remove them from the drawer. Okay, this one you're gonna need a hammer. Just get you a dead blue hammer. Let me see. Yeah, you can see that. And same thing, up here in the front of the drawer, it's got the same type of little clip. Just put in this plastic clip here, and then take a hammer, and you just want to hit it down, and that pops that part of the slide off. Same thing on the other side. This one here, you do down. These can be kind of a little bit harder to get off. Of course, this one's gonna fight me on this side. Yep. I got stuff in the drawer here, so it's kind of bouncing around. You see, the other side popped right off. This one's is wanting to fight me. Yeah, this one's not gonna be an easy one. Not wanting to. There it goes. Sometimes you just got to work them. And what you're doing is these two little tabs right here, it's actually the one. I don't know if you can see that, but this tab right here, it sticks out just a little, and that's what locks it into this here. Now these, oops, when you put these on, these are going to come in from the bottom, and you line them up in this hole back here and this hole back there, up in the front. And you just, actually, I'm sorry I got that wrong. You got, this is just like the slide drawers. It has the clip in the back, so it goes straight back. So you line it up in that hole, and then once you get it in there, it lines up with the other two holes. And this one's being fussy on me, so I'm not gonna put it back in, but you just take it from the bottom and hit it up. On the toolbox, you hit down. On these, you hit them up to lock them in.